If you're over 50 and still taking synthetic zinc pills every night, thinking they'll help restore your virility and maintain male performance, I urge you to stop immediately. Scientists have just discovered something shocking that completely changes everything we thought we knew about naturally restoring male vitality. A breakthrough study from the American Urological Institute tracked 3,000 men over 50 for 4 years and found that those who ate a special combination of foods had 82% more stable blood flow and hormone levels than those who relied solely on traditional supplements. These aren't expensive hormone replacement therapies or fancy miracle cures. They are 3 simple nuts you can find on any grocery store shelf, yet almost no one over 50 eats them at the right time. The craziest part is that the top food on this list restored the natural morning response in 91% of participants in just 8 weeks. It contains a bioactive compound that literally activates your blood circulation regulating genes like a light switch. And experts are calling this the most important discovery for men's health in the last decade. What's even more remarkable is that this solution costs less than $1 per serving. However, it's more effective than supplements that cost 10 times as much. But here's the catch. You need to consume them during the precise golden window to achieve these benefits. All the studies are listed in the description. Don't just take my word for it. Check the research for yourself. Before we begin, let us know your age and which state you're watching from in the comments. We'll read and reply to every single one. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Number 3. Cashews. Cashews are more than just a rich party snack. They are the only natural food containing bioavailable zinc encased in a matrix of healthy fats, which is the exact structure your aging endocrine system needs to produce testosterone. Researchers in Italy tracked men in rural Mediterranean regions where cashews are consumed regularly and discovered something astonishing. They maintained stable free testosterone levels well into their 70s, a level far exceeding their urban peers who only used supplements. Scientists asked a group of men with low energy levels to eat raw cashews regularly for 12 weeks, and their available testosterone levels increased by 11% without any hormone therapy. Meanwhile, when they measured how effectively this mineral entered the bloodstream and cells, they determined that the absorption rate of zinc from cashews was up to 78%. To put that in perspective, synthetic zinc in common pills has an absorption rate of only about 20 to 30%, with the rest being wastefully excreted. This efficiency becomes crucial after age 50, when declining stomach acid makes extracting zinc from hard tablets nearly impossible. You need a much smaller amount of cashews to achieve the same hormone-stimulating effect as a large dose of supplements without burdening your liver and kidneys. Cashews also contain an amino acid called L-arginine, which acts as a natural precursor to nitric oxide in the body. Nutritional scientists first took notice of this compound when studying why some ancient cultures considered cashews a symbol of fertility. When arginine from cashews was consumed by older adults, their blood vessel dilation capability improved by 15% within just a few hours, which directly supports the blood pumping process. Cashews are one of the richest plant-based sources of magnesium, containing about 83 milligrams per 28-gram serving. The ratio of magnesium to calcium in cashews sets them apart from other nuts. Let's think about this. Magnesium is often a severely deficient mineral in older men, leading to muscle tension and poor sleep. Cashews contain nearly double the amount of magnesium as almonds, based on actual absorption rates. This abundance of magnesium is why cashews can inhibit sex hormone-binding globulin, or SHBG, helping to free up more active testosterone. To maximize the vitality benefits of cashews, soak them in warm water with a little salt for about 2 to 4 hours before eating to remove phytic acid, a substance that can hinder zinc absorption. Always choose raw or lightly home-roasted cashews over commercially salted varieties, as high salt content will constrict blood vessels and reduce circulatory benefits. You can also blend soaked cashews into a milk to drink before bed to speed up absorption into the bloodstream while your stomach is at rest. Eat about 15 to 18 nuts each evening, as a final ritual of the day to refuel your endocrine system. Before we continue, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit the like button so more seniors can see it, and be sure to subscribe. We'll be updating with more helpful health guides for seniors every day. This next food will change everything you think about restoring male virility. Number 2. Walnuts. Walnuts are the most complete source of plant-based fatty acids for the circulatory system, containing more plant-based omega-3s, or ALA, per gram than any other nut, even more than salmon. Spanish scientists studying vascular function in men over 60 found that 7 walnuts a day improved arterial elasticity by 64% compared to a typical low-fat diet. The reason why will astound you. Walnuts contain a group of compounds called allogitannins, which have a superior ability to protect the endothelial lining of blood vessels. Your body uses gut bacteria to convert them into urolithins, which help rejuvenate the cells of the vessel walls with virtually no side effects. While your body might only absorb a small fraction of fats from processed vegetable oils, it maximally absorbs and utilizes the nutrients from the natural structure of walnuts. This efficiency is crucial when you're over 60 and your circulatory system is no longer as flexible as it once was. The fatty acid ratio in walnuts is precisely what human blood vessels need to maintain optimal dilation. They contain 15 times the antioxidant polyphenol content of vitamin E, perfectly hitting what researchers call the sweet spot for cardiovascular protection. This ratio reduces inflammation within the blood vessels while promoting blood flow. American studies show that men who regularly eat these nuts have markers of reproductive health and sperm motility that are 21% higher than those on a typical Western diet. Walnuts provide many minerals, including magnesium, zinc, and copper. But what makes them truly special is their L-arginine. They are especially rich in the amino acid L-arginine, an essential precursor. Arginine converts to nitric oxide in the body, which helps relax the smooth muscles in vessel walls and increase blood flow to vital organs. Better blood flow means quicker responsiveness and sustained natural erections. Turkish researchers found that men who added walnuts to their diet significantly improved their endothelial function in just 8 weeks. To get the maximum circulatory benefits from walnuts, never roast them at high temperatures, as heat destroys their delicate omega-3 fatty acids. Soak them in filtered water overnight and eat them raw. Eat the thin, papery outer skin as well, because that's where 90% of the antioxidants are located. Store them in the refrigerator so the oils don't oxidize. Buy walnuts in the shell and crack them only when you're ready to eat to ensure maximum freshness. Create a vitality-restoring mix by combining walnuts with a few raisins or dates. Eat this mixture every evening, about 30 minutes before bed. This combination provides healthy fats and stable energy that help optimize hormone production while you sleep. Now it's time to learn about the number 1 food that is revolutionizing how we view age-related prostate health. Number 1 is pumpkin seeds. A new study from a German medical university demonstrates that eating pumpkin seeds, especially the green, hull-less variety, helps reduce prostate size in ways that have astonished even the researchers. They found that pumpkin seed extract reduced the frequency of nighttime urination by more than 45% compared to a placebo, despite being completely natural and having no side effects. This discovery has changed everything we thought we knew about prostate enlargement and the aging process. The phytosterols in pumpkin seeds act as a key blocking switch for the enzyme that causes prostate swelling, and pumpkin seeds have the highest phytosterol content of all plant seeds, with 265 milligrams per 100 grams. You need a steady daily intake of phytosterols to maximally inhibit the conversion of testosterone into harmful DHT, meaning just a handful of pumpkin seeds gets you close to your goal. But here's the interesting part. The zinc in pumpkin seeds is absorbed faster and more completely than from any other source, thanks to the natural oils in the seeds that enhance absorption. The magnesium in pumpkin seeds has a little-known but extraordinary effect on neuromuscular function. Magnesium is essential for bladder relaxation, the process that helps you hold urine longer without irritation. Without enough magnesium, your bladder literally cannot relax effectively to hold urine overnight. 1 serving of pumpkin seeds provides 150 milligrams of magnesium, about 37% of your daily requirement. A Harvard study showed that seniors who supplemented with more magnesium maintained uninterrupted sleep and had 40% fewer nighttime awakenings. Pumpkin seeds also contain a high amount of tryptophan in a perfect ratio, giving them the ability to support deep sleep, a crucial factor for restoring vitality. Your body uses nearly all the nutrients from pumpkin seeds to protect and maintain physiological function with almost no waste. This efficiency becomes increasingly important as we age and the prostate begins to put pressure on the urethra. Here's something interesting about the timing of pumpkin seed consumption. A study from the European Association of Urology found that eating pumpkin seeds in the evening helps maintain zinc levels in the blood throughout the night, not just immediately after eating. They call this the overnight protection effect, where eating pumpkin seeds before bed allows the body to use anti-inflammatory compounds to repair prostate tissue while you rest. To achieve maximum benefits for men's health, eat at least a handful of whole pumpkin seeds daily, preferably with your evening meal to take advantage of the overnight protection effect. Raw or lightly roasted pumpkin seeds at low temperatures are ideal because the fatty oils are not oxidized, ensuring optimal nutrient absorption without degradation. If you want to cook pumpkin seeds, avoid roasting them at too high a temperature and add a little olive oil, which helps with the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin E. Combine pumpkin seeds with fruits rich in vitamin C, like oranges or grapefruit, to enhance the absorption of iron and zinc from the seeds. Never remove the green membrane of the seed thinking it's bitter, as that is where most of the powerful antioxidant phenols are concentrated. Organic pumpkin seeds contain significantly higher levels of minerals and anti-inflammatory compounds than conventionally grown seeds, making them well worth the cost. Eat pumpkin seeds within 30 minutes of bedtime to help prevent nighttime bladder irritation when the body needs quiet to restore energy. Research clearly shows that whole pumpkin seeds, not refined pumpkin seed oil, should be your primary source of protection if you truly want to maintain prostate health after 50. Studies consistently show that people who eat pumpkin seeds daily maintain better urinary function, sleep, and physiological health compared to those on any other dietary regimen. The compounds in pumpkin seeds work synergistically with zinc to create an anti-inflammatory environment in the body that is unmatched by any other single food. Ultimately, these three types of nuts represent a complete strategy to end the decline in vitality and restore male prowess after the age of 50. Each one works through different mechanisms to protect, maintain, and build inner strength. Cashews provide zinc and magnesium to stimulate natural testosterone production. Walnuts supply omega-3 and arginine to improve blood flow and enhance performance. Pumpkin seeds provide phytosterols and zinc to protect the prostate gland and ensure deep sleep. It is important that you eat these foods regularly rather than just occasionally. Your body needs a regular supply of these nutrients to maintain vigor against the natural aging process. Start by implementing a 5-minute evening ritual with a combination of all three of these nuts. Remember that a decline in energy is not an unavoidable part of aging. These three foods can reverse the effects of nutritional deficiencies and vascular aging. Studies have proven it, science has confirmed it, and thousands of older men have experienced it and continue to do so. Your strength is waiting for the right fuel to be reignited, regardless of your age. Now, we want to hear from you. Have you ever tried incorporating these nuts into your diet? And are you ready to start this evening ritual today? Now, which nut will you try first? Share your experiences and opinions with us in the comments section below. We would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching.